Amazing 2-story 2-bedroom end unit townhome. Great private location. The open floor plan boasts a spacious 2-story living room with fireplace and access to private deck. Kitchen overlooks living room and offers ample storage, breakfast bar and opens to formal dining area. The second level features 2 generous bedrooms including the master west/shared bath. The loft can serve as a home office or reading nook. Basement is ideal for a family room or recreation room. Nestled on a private cul-de-sac just minutes from train, shops, restaurants, Cantigny, forest preserves and CDH. New siding and gutters 2020. New windows 2015, new roof and furnace 2018. Low maintenance, living in a great location.